Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to take out some of the Halloween stuff and decorate our outside. I'm going to try to show you guys a little bit. Nothing crazy because obviously it's the front of my house. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm still drinking my coffee. It's really later in the day. I really wanted to go to the zoo today since we still have a couple of days that isn't like freezing yet outside. But that ended up not happening. This week I'm going to get a new bag, which you guys will probably see that later on, or you guys already seen it. So I'm going to do a new what's in my bag for basically the transition of my daughter being 2. She's still currently in diapers, but I have hope that soon that's not going to be the case. If not, it's okay. My goal is 3 years old, so she just turned 2, so I have enough time. But yeah, let's go ahead and take out some Halloween stuff. I'm so excited. My daughter's first time actually like really acknowledging it, so I'm really excited. And she's actually not scared of Halloween store. She doesn't like the things that are hanging though. That kind of freaks her out. But like skeletons, she calls it susto, which means like I'm scared in Spanish. But she's not really scared. She just says muchos sustos, like a lot scary, like a lot. I don't know how to say that in English, but yeah, if you understand Spanish, you know. But yeah, supposed to be cutting my hair soon, but I'm starting to think I'm just gonna keep it long, so we'll see. So I'm gonna go outside and stop talking. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a while, so that's why I'm babbling. All right, so we already did it, and we actually feel like we need one more, so we might actually get Chucky, since all the ones we got are not really scary. And then right now we're gonna go get some McDonald's because I'm hungry, and that's what I have a taste for, and we rarely eat it, so why not? So we changed our minds and came to Chick-fil-A, and they forgot to give me my large fry, so my husband went back to go get it for me. I mentioned loving her fries and her chicken. And then we're gonna go to Walmart to browse the Halloween stuff. Okay, quick haul because we didn't get a lot. My husband had ordered this Star Wars thing up. We also got this. Keep going. I have a mess back there. Ignore it. I also got this for my toddler, so it's basically 2 spoons and a fork. She's kind of starting to want to use ours, and they're still too big, so I got some hand wipes, sanitizing wipes. You guys know I'm addicted to those things. My daughter and I love these. My husband got these. Honestly, these were both add-ons because my munchkin actually fell asleep at Walmart. So, and then I saw this shirt, and my husband got it for me. Isn't it so cute? So cute. I also got this in the mail. I really want to try this brand, and she needed something for her hair in general, so I decided to pick this one up. I also got this on Amazon. I already have one, but I feel like it was just time to change it, and I love the color for this one. And my husband got my daughter this really, really cute little chair. Alright guys, and that is it for today's video. I really want to show you guys more outside, but it's already dark outside. And we still need to get like 2 more things. I think we're gonna get the Sanderson sisters, and we're gonna get Chucky. I'm not 100% sure yet, but maybe. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Your girl just noticed that that vlog was like 3 minutes long. So we're gonna continue on today. I'm gonna make some spaghetti because I only have ground turkey and I don't feel like making meatballs or anything else really, to be honest. So I'm just gonna make some spaghetti. It's not my husband's favorite, but I absolutely love it because I can sneak in carrots, bell peppers, and spinach in the sauce for my munchkin. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that, and you guys will just join me for the rest of today. It's really gloomy and rainy and ugly outside, so yeah, hopefully we don't lose light. We shouldn't. I don't think it's gonna be a thunderstorm. It's just iggly. Feels like fall. My husband just came home and he brought us a big Aldi order. I'm gonna show you guys what he picked up. And I'm going to show you what was not on the list. Time to get some chicken. So he got some chicken, some bananas that are obviously not ready, eggs, garlic, pumpkin puree for his muffins. This was not on the list. Bagels. This was not on the list. Cream cheese was not on the list. Unsalted butter. He actually asked me if I wanted that. Spinach. Some green onions. Asparagus. This was not on the list. Kettle chips was not on the list. Oven crispy popcorn shrimp was not on the list. These mozzarella cheese filled breadsticks was not on the list, but I'm actually gonna make that right now since I made spaghetti, so that is going to go with that. Potato onion pyronis, that was not on the list. He got some tater tots, basically. This was not on the list. Celery, that was not on the list, but our daughter loves it, so. Fries, this was not on the list. We actually have two, so I don't know how I'm gonna fit that in the fridge. Pizza, frozen pizza. This both was not on the list. Sandwich meat was on the list. Cheese was actually not on the list, but he likes that one, so that's okay. He got some salami, sausage and bacon for when he's off, so I can make breakfast. Apples, grapes, cuties, oranges, pears, blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. And that all stuff was on the list. He always buys such random stuff, but now I gotta put everything away. I hate this part. I also love when this is all organized. So this is the meats. I put the eggs there. There's hot dogs back there still, and this is random but cheese, sandwich meats, baking stuff. So I have some cinnamon rolls, cookies, my daughter's favorite cheese, obviously cheese there again. I love when it's all organized. While we eat dinner, I'm actually gonna let the strawberries soak, the blackberries soak, the apples, grapes, and I already washed those. I don't need a deep wash, but let that soak while we eat dinner, and I'm gonna put it all in that stuff. So I think now I'm actually gonna call it a vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really random 2 days. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm currently making coffee that is waiting here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.